Okay, here we are walking into the old Runts building, and as you can see, it's pretty much been redone, almost ready for a restaurant to move into. So this, I believe, would be the bar area, and if we go on around, that leads to another door down that hallway. A cool brick wall. And inside these double doors, I believe this is simply the heating and cooling system. There we go. So, on around, down this hallway is a men's and women's restroom and I believe a closet. But if we go down this hall, we get into the back area, which I would assume might be part of the kitchen area, and that door leads to the alley. Another door out to Court Street, and this just runs through. This would be the door off the sidewalk that would come into these stairs going up to the second floor. And if we take a left through this doorway, this area is what used to be an apartment and is now going to be storage for the city of Sullivan. And so if we go up the stairs and take a right, this is the area that's being gutted. It was all divided up into smaller rooms. And so you see the original wood slat floors. And then the ceiling is all just the rafters with a long I-beam going all the way down the center. And then this whole wall is actually brick behind that old plaster, and so all that brick will be exposed all the way down. So there's the door we just came from, and to this, in this area, it will become the Innovate Sullivan space. So from about right here in between those two windows over to that wall will be Innovate Sullivan. And this area right here will be men's and women's restrooms, and then a space, just a little space right in here, there'll be a little mini kitchenette with a sink and cabinets, and the door to get into Innovate Sullivan will be approximately right here, a locking door. So that little sink and so forth will be right outside our door. So hopefully we'll get in here before the end of the year, and there should be plenty of room for what we want to do for the video and audio studio, for the makerspace equipment, for of course we'll have to have a closet. We'll have some cool tables and chairs. We'll have whiteboards. Everything you need for a creative, design thinking space, makerspace, studio, etc. So then the plan is, with that wall that will be approximately right here, it will be a glass windowed wall. So we'll have 3 sections up here. We'll have the Innovate Sullivan space. We'll also have this space here in the middle for a separate meeting area or networking event, whatever you would want to do. And then over on this end, there will be another glass wall approximately right through here that will divide this space up into a private dining area or banquet space. And so this is the southwest corner. And as you can see, that's the west side of the square, courthouse. Pretty cool view. All these windows, these old windows, will all be replaced with double pane windows that do open. So you can take advantage of cool days. So I think it's a pretty neat space. And we'll have full access to it as Innovate Sullivan. If we want to hold a big event, then we can use any portion of this space as long as it's not already reserved. And it will also be available, this space, the banquet space and this middle meeting area will be available for all the nonprofits around Sullivan. So that's the plan, and this is the shell before it's done. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.